Interested in seeing those, I'm sure. All right, yeah, let's look at your list and see what you think. All right. So this is the grade level list. So from 7th grade, and this grade level list, it goes all the way up to high school. These are high school. But you and I, we're just gonna look at the words from the back to the front. So these.
Okay.
So we'll start, and then we'll work our way up all the way to 7th grade. So I highlighted some of the words that have consonants and vowels that we've struggled with when you talk. And so, because we want to see how much better you are at those words. Okay, so we're looking to see, because you've gotten much better at saying words, and so we want to see. Are there any of the words on that sheet that you don't recognize? Are there some of these words you don't know?
I know all.
You know all of them?
Yeah.
Good. Okay, so let's try just pronouncing some of them. How about this word?
All right.
Good job. See how you said the L? Good job. How about this word?
Shoot.
Good.
Steer.
Good job. How about?
Those.
Ooh, good. Those. Good job. How about that?
Salt.
How about that one?
Usually.
Good. How about this?
Likely.
Good job. Try that one more time.
Likely.
Good. It has 2 L's in it, right? And so when it's got 2 L's in it, it makes it a little harder. How about that?
Locate.
Good job. You're doing really good with your L at the beginning. Let's try these words.
Okay.
Are there any words on this list that you think you might not know now? No?
I know.
You know all of them. All right, let's try just pronouncing a few. How about that word?
Probably.
Good job. Let's try one more time.
Probably.
Okay, how about probably?
Probably.
Good job. Good job. How about that one?
Rare.
Good. Do you know what the word rare means? Yeah. Okay, what about that?
So.
Though. Good. Good job with the TH. Let's look at this list. All right, so we're going to keep moving. Tell me if when you looked at that list, if you saw words that you did not know.
What do you investigate?
Good job. Do you know what it means to investigate?
Investigate.
Yeah, when you investigate, a police officer might investigate a crime. A scientist might investigate a hypothesis. So investigate means to look into something or try to figure it out.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what investigate means. Good job. Any more? However, do you remember in this sentence it means in the opposite, or the opposite of, so if I say, I'm tired, however, I'm going to play anyway, that means like the word but. Do you remember that word in a sentence? But?
Yeah.
That's what that word means. Okay? Let's try saying a few. Can you say that word?
Rebel.
Label.
Rebel.
Good. Like the L, right? Yeah. Say label.
Rebel.
Good. Okay. What about that one?
Create.
Good job. That was really good. Create. All right, let's look at the 4th grade words. What do we think?
What do you abstract?
Yeah. What is abstract? Have you ever heard of that before?
No.
In your English class, have they ever said this to you before? Abstract and concrete?
Concrete.
Do you know what concrete is?
Right. Stop.
Yeah, like that?
Yeah.
Concrete? Concrete is also like something that you can touch. Yeah, concrete is something that you can touch. It's real. But abstract is something that you can't. So abstract means you can't touch. What would be something I can't touch but that still exists?
Like a thinking idea.
Good job. So ideas are abstract, but things are concrete. Yeah. So a lot of times when you read, there's abstract and there's concrete things in stories. Right? Good job. What about clarify? Do you know what that word means? Means to make clear.
Clear.
Yeah, if you make something clear. Right? What else?
Exaggerate.
Ooh, good job. Exaggerate means to make something bigger than it is.
Okay.
Yeah, like a hyperbole. Have you heard that word in English?
Sometimes.
Yeah, when you exaggerate, you might say something is more than it is.
So if say 3 animals, say 5 animals.
Yeah, exactly. If I say I'm so hungry I could eat a horse, I'm not really going to eat a horse. That's exaggerating, right?
I eat horse sometimes.
Yeah.
It's very yummy.
Yeah, it is very yummy?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. So you know that phrase when someone says that? They are exaggerating?
Okay.
Or someone says, I'm so tired I could sleep for 100 years. Right? Yeah.
Like, if I don't lunch before 12 o'clock, I will die like that.
That's right. If someone says, I will die, they don't really mean they're going to die. That's an exaggeration, right? Yeah, that's what that means.
What means refer?
Oh, good. To refer means to reference. So if I refer to something, it means that I'm pointing to that.
Oh, okay.
So if I refer to you, I might say, Takahiro.
Okay.
Yeah, so if I refer to something, that's what it means. I point to it.
Okay.
Good job. See, I had that one. How about logical?
Logical.
Do you know what logical is?
Yeah, it's like a sentence that tells about logic. So they write about fact.
Good job. Yeah, we were just talking about logics in English, right? Yeah. What about propose?
I don't know.
No? Can you say that?
Propose?
Yeah. If you propose, it means to give up an idea.
Oh.
Yeah. What about alter?
Alter.
Do you know what that word means?
What means?
Alter means to change.
Change.
Yeah. So if you alter something, you change it. Right? What about likely?
Likely. Feel right. Most likely like that.
Yeah, good job. Yeah, good job. Let's look at now we're getting into some of the big words, huh? So we get into the bigger grades, the bigger the words. Let's look at just some of those words. How about this word?
Agree.
Yeah. What about that word?
Discriminate.
Yeah, do you know what discriminate means?
What?
Discriminate means to be, to have a problem with someone because of their color or their religion or their gender, like because they're a girl or a boy. So discriminate means to treat someone different.
Like a racism.
Yeah, racism is a type of discrimination, right? Just like sexism is because a girl or a boy. So if I treat girls different than boys, that's also discriminating, just like racism. Good. What about limited?
Limited.
Good. So you got that L really good. Limited. What about restrict?
Restrict.
And restricted.
Restricted.
Good job.
What mean?
Restrict means to limit.
Right.
It's kind of like this word, so that's why they're kind of the same thing. If you limit something, you only allow so much.
Okay.
Yeah. Good job. Let's look at some of the big words now. Right? Middle school words, 6th and 7th grade.
What mean concur?
Concur means to agree.
Agree.
Yeah. If I say I concur, it means I agree. I agree.
What mean eligible?
Oh, good. Eligible means that you are able to participate. Yeah, to participate. So if you are eligible for sports, it means you can play sports. This word you know, right?
Prompt.
Yeah. Like in English, you might have a prompt.
Prompt.
Yeah. A writing prompt.
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job.
Subtle.
Subtle, yeah. Subtle is a really interesting word. In this word, we don't pronounce the B. It just pronounces as subtle with a T. Subtle.
Subtle.
Yeah, and subtle means to give a hint, but not to tell it, right?
Oh.
Yeah, to be subtle means not to just tell it all, to be kind of quiet about it.
Okay.
Yeah. All right, let's look at this is your list, 7th grade. Let's see what kind of words on our 7th grade list. I knew a couple of them, right? Thought you might know. What about that one?
Determined.
Do you know what that word means?
What's mean?
Or are you determined?
Mm.
Do you know what it means to be determined?
I don't.
If I say, Takahiro is determined to learn more vocabulary. It means that you really want to learn more vocabulary. Determined means you don't give up.
Okay.
That's what that means, right? So you don't give up. We don't want to give up. Don't give up. How about establish?
Establish.
Good job.
Find or founding or make it up, like Muhammad established Islam or.
Good job. That is exactly right. Yeah. What about literal?
Literal is.
Do you know what literal means?
I like. Not. Theory. Like to. No. Yeah. But.
Literal means in English. So there's two kinds of words. There's figurative words and literal words. Literal means exactly what it says. So if something is literal, if I say that's big, and I'm being literal, it means I mean it's really big, right? So literal is the opposite of figurative.